Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best starting point would be over here. So we'll first change the view to front view, and then using P-line command, we'll draw one line from year to year of 12 units, then from year to year of 75 units, from year to year of 50 units, and join it with the start point. Then we would go into the southwest isometric view and extrude this triangle to a thickness of 63 units. Then we have to draw this rectangle. So we'll go into coordinates and change it to top view and draw one rectangle of 75 minus 50, that is 25 units by 12 units. Then move that rectangle to the midpoint of this axis, and then using the press pull feature create a cut in this object. Then we have to make this shape. So for this we'll move the UCS icon over here, and then we will draw one line from year to year of 12 units and year to year of 19 units. Then we would set the UCS icon back to this location, and we would draw a line of 16 units. Then anywhere outside we'll draw a rectangle of, let's say the length would be 50 units. It can be any length because it goes deeper into the object, and the width is 25. Then we move it to the top of this line and extrude it downward to 16 units. Finally, we want to create this shape, so we'll draw a rectangle over here, and that would be of 63 minus 44, that is 19 units by 12 units, and extrude it outwards. And that's how we get this shape. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So first thing which we'll do, we'll click over here and change the view to the front view. Then we would use the P-line command, and we'll also turn the ortho on and draw one P-line from year to year of 12 units and extend it to the right 75 units and upward 50 units, and C to close it with the start point. Then we use the southwest isometric view, and then we extrude this using the extrude command. We click on the object, press enter, and extrude it to a thickness of 63 units and press enter. Now we want to create this shape. So what we'll do, the UCS icon, will move it here. So for this we type UCS and specify the origin is over here, x-axis is here, and the y-axis is here. Then temporarily we'll turn the UCS icon off. So we type UCS icon and we turn it off. And using the line command, we draw one line from here, extending upward to a length of 12 units, and then to the right to a length of 19 units. Press enter. Then we'll bring the UCS icon on this plane. So we type UCS, we click over here, x-axis is here, y-axis is here. You can turn the UCS icon on to see how it looks. And now you can draw one line from here upwards. So I'll select line from here upwards 16 units and press enter. Again enter to end the line command. Now we go into the coordinates and change this to top view. And here we'll draw one rectangle. So we select the rectangle. The length can be anything, let's say 50, but the width will be 25, and press enter. Then we move it. So we select the move command, which is the base point. This is the base point. and where you want to move it here. Then we use extrude command. Click on the object, press enter and extrude it downward. Let it go 2 units beyond 16, so let's say 19 units. And now you can click over here and select shaded with edges and you get this shape. Now we want to make a rectangle here. So we select rectangle, click over here and draw a rectangle. Length is 25, width is 12. Hit enter. Move the rectangle. Select the object to move this. What you want to move, midpoint of this. Where you want to move, midpoint of this. You can turn the 2D with wireframe on. And now using the press pull feature, we click on our object and move it beyond the thickness. Then press escape. Then come back to shaded with edges. Now sometimes you'll notice even after using the press pull feature, the object doesn't get cut. So in that scenario, you use a command of AutoCAD called as subtract. Select the main object. This is the main object. Hit enter. Select the object to subtract. Click on this object. Hit enter. And you get the cut. And then you can select the profile and you can just delete it. Finally, we have to make this shape. So we click on coordinates and change it to left view. And again, we use the rectangle command and draw one rectangle. So the length would be 19 units and the width would be 12 units. And we type move and we select the object to move this object. Base point, we select midpoint of this and where you want to move midpoint of this. You can again go into the 2D wireframe and then use the press pull feature. Click on the object to move and move it beyond the object. Press escape. Again go into the 2D shaded with edges. And if the object is not cut, this time you know that you can use the subtract command. Select the main object, press enter. Select the object to subtract, press enter. Then you can select the profile and you can delete it. You can turn the grid off by pressing F7. And finally, use the union command of AutoCAD and select the objects and make it into one entity. And your geometry is complete. You can use the 3D orbit command and view the object in all possible views till you get a complete view of your geometry. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.